I hope you all are doing great and staying safe at your homes. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Preetu, and if you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell button so that whenever I put a video, you get notified. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing this eye look. This is exactly the look which I have done at my sister's wedding, and for some reason I was not able to record at that moment, so I thought to recreate this look for you guys. And I really like this entire look. If you like this look, please continue watching. So my skincare is done and I'm starting with usual step, that is priming, and I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So I'm using this primer on the usual places where I tend to get oily and where I have little bit of pores. I'm using this technique of press and pat motion so that product doesn't move and stays intact. Here I went little wrong with my concealer selection. I just went for a lighter shade of concealer first, which messed my makeup a little bit, but later on I had fixed it up. I'm just applying this concealer on just my eyelids, and then I'm going with the foundation. I'm using this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation in the SPF 15. I'm just using this foundation in the shade Rattan. I always forget to mention my shades. Now I'm just blending it with a damp beauty blender. This foundation gives such beautiful finish, and I highly recommend this foundation to everyone. Now to balance out this lighter concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This concealer is close to my skin tone and it has got that peachy undertone, so it will help me in correcting my under eyes and balance out with the lighter concealer. I'm using a wet beauty blender to even out the base. To set all this, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. My shade is NC30. Now for the eye makeup, I'm using these eyeshadow sticks from K by Katrina. The shade is Splendid. Now these eyeshadow sticks are quite handy. They are very easy to use and they are very buttery. They blend very easily. They are very travel friendly and easy to access. I would definitely try other shades of these eyeshadows. Now I'm taking this Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm using this sandalwood color. I'm blending this powder eyeshadow with the cream eyeshadow on my crease. I'm taking this shade Cocoa from the palette and I'm just applying it on the entire lid where I applied the cream eyeshadow and blending it quite well. Next I'm going in with this Plum Nature Studio Kajal and I'm applying this on my upper lash line. I'm applying a thin layer of this kajal and smudging it out quite seamlessly. Now taking the shade Black Truffle from the palette and I'm just lining it and smudging it all together. I'm just creating the smoky effect on my lash line. You can always go back and blend all your eyeshadows. Now I'm taking this Cosmo shade from another Huda Beauty palette. I'm using this Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette and applying it on the center of my eyelids. This particular shade gave me a little bit of fallout. It's like a loose glitter, so I would highly recommend that you use a eyeshadow glue for this particular eye shape. Next I'm going in with this Maybelline the Colossal Liner and I'm using this Lash Paradise mascara. This mascara is really a gem in drugstore category. So I'm just curling my lashes with this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara and now applying false eyelashes. I'm using these lashes by PAC. These are PAC Silk Lashes in the shade 101. Quickly curling my lower lashes as well. Next, I'm using this bronzer powder by Maybelline. This is their V-Faced Duo powder. Now what I like about this bronzer is it gives a very natural warmth to the contours of the face. It's a very cool toned bronzer and doesn't give that harsh lines on the face. I always get back to this bronzer again and again to get that natural warmth on my face. It adds a very subtle look and looks very effortless. I'm using this bronzer on the hollows of my cheeks, under my jawline, contouring my nose and little bit on my hairline of my forehead. Now comes my favorite part. I'm using this Pro Longwear blush by MAC. I'm in the shade Feeling Romance. This particular blush suits perfectly on my skin. I simply love the color of this blush. It just adds a good flush of pink to my cheeks. And I just love this blush. Next, I'm using this kajal and tightlining my lower lash line and my upper lash line as well. And smudging the lower lash line with the brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this Masterchrome highlighter by Maybelline. So far, I'm just liking this highlighter a lot. This highlighter gives a quite natural look. It's not chunky at all. So far, I am just loving this highlighter in the drugstore category. Now I understand why this highlighter was so much raved about, because it's really a worth product. I'm just using this highlighter on the usual points of my face. Would definitely recommend this highlighter to everyone. Next, I'm using this Nykaa Brow On Point pencil. Now, I'm not a big fan of grooming my brows a lot because I naturally have thick brows. So I just give a good brush to my brows and fill the spare gaps between, and it works really perfect for me. But if you have thin brows, grooming your brows can definitely make or break your look. Next, for my lips, I'm using this Smashbox liquid lipstick. I'm in the shade Babe Alert. This lipstick is really a dream. I'm just falling for this pink nude color. And finally, using this setting spray by MAC. It's a Prep Plus Prime setting spray. It just sets your base so beautifully. And with that, the look is complete and I hope you will like the look. If you like this video, do leave a comment and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.